From the Weather Authority, here's Tom Hale.
This is a dangerous storm. This storm is almost a quarter-mile wide.
This is pretty extreme damage here, folks.
I've got winds rotating in this thing at 120 miles an hour. Take cover now. From a meteorological standpoint, this is a very impressive storm. So we're getting an update on this storm pretty much every 2 to 3 minutes. We're on the air right now warning you that you need to be prepared to take cover. We've got a storm that has been spinning in one place consistently. As of 4:51, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado is located 5 miles to the northwest of Sulphur, and it's moving to the east at 25 miles an hour. Again, this is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. These are the words of the National Weather Service, and we share those words sincerely. A dangerous tornado is on the ground. It is just to the south of Iona. Now take a look at this. This is an incredible view, live shot of this storm and the lowering of the wall cloud. That's what you're looking at right there, lowering of the wall cloud into that very dark area back in there. Fannin County and also the eastern half of Grayson County are experiencing torrential rains, as well as the southern half of Bryan County. Here's where the heaviest rains, according to Doppler 12, are falling basically from Platter to Preston, back down to Cedar Mills, back up toward Powell and up toward Medill. Now, here's what we're looking at. We've got a storm that has been spinning in one place consistently, and it's moved from Kemp to Bells and is now moving along the Red River. We currently have reports, confirmed reports of flooding at the intersection of 691 and Texoma Parkway. That is over by the hospital. And also 503, Spur 503 and 91 are impassable. Stay away from this area. Bottom line is that across Europe and across the United States, daylight saving time is ending tonight. So what it means is at 2 o'clock, we set our clocks back. Boom, an easy way to remember it, fall back. Got a forecast coming up. Well, you know what? Let me give you an idea what's going on here. We've got a tower cam shot that happens to be from last night, and the reason is that my weather computer is completely locked up. But that's okay. I've only got a minute and a half to tell you what the weather's going to be. So here's the deal. Tonight at midnight, you're going to want to, or earlier, to turn your clocks back for a total of 1 hour, okay? That gives you an extra hour of sleep. Then combine that with the fact that tomorrow morning we're going to start off kind of cool, about 58 degrees, but clouds will move their way in throughout the day. We'll go from mostly sunny to mostly cloudy, and then tomorrow night into Monday, we've got a 70% chance of rain. From there, that rain tapers off on Election Day. You need to go out and vote. Skies are going to be cloudy all day, and then as we head through the rest of the week, we clear out and we start to warm up. Hey, we've got a lot more News 12 coming up, so don't go away. Now, we're looking off from the Sherman Tower Cam right here above the station off to the west, and we do get high thin clouds starting to stream their way in, and a stray low-level cloud. But this is the way it is outside right now, and these are still very high thin clouds. Not going to have any real effect on our weather, but these clouds will thicken up by morning, and it may have a difference in our high temperature tomorrow. I was going for 88 degrees, had to bump it down to 87, and I'll show you why. Here's what we're looking at. To begin with, you can see those clouds marching their way in across Texoma at this time. And you can see the showers that are out here. Well, there's more showers behind that, and they're going to get darn close to Texoma and then die out. And they'll leave behind some kind of, let's call them cruddy little clouds floating their way across here in the morning hours, and that might limit the chance that we will warm up as fast. So we may have a day just like today. Oh, nobody's going to complain with that. I hear that. So temperature-wise, by 9 o'clock, 80 degrees. By noon, around 90. And then the heat really kicks in for a high of 85 degrees with heat indexes, the way the temperature affects our body, adding in humidity, of 98 to 103. Then overnight, we cool down to still a muggy 74 degrees. And tomorrow, even warmer. And the same on Tuesday, 98 degrees. And add in the humidity, it's going to feel like 105 to 109. Today, we had a little upper level low, and you can see it spinning on the water vapor imagery. This is the kind of stuff that gets weather guys excited, because actually, all it did was make a few clouds. You can see those clouds spinning. Most of us never saw what we saw on the water vapor imagery, and so that low is really nothing to concern ourselves with. The big story is this high pressure system that's moving its way in. Wednesday, it'll be parked over us. It'll be kind of like that dome of high pressure, where temperatures will jump up to at least 78 degrees, and I think some places could be pushing 79, maybe 80 degrees. Record temperatures are anywhere from 82 to 85 degrees, and so we're going to be near record high temperatures until this trough of low pressure on the west coast kicks off a cold front from Canada, which will blow its way in here Thursday into Friday. That'll drop our temperatures back into the 30s for lows, and highs struggling to make it out of the 50s.
Give me that basketball!
No, we're minions, and we're tougher than you.
Give me that basketball!
No, Stormtroop. Oh, hey. Hi, this is Tom Hale, and we are down at the Walmart in Denison collecting for Toys for Tots. Sorry, folks, it was a little slow down here. We had a small number of toys, but we're starting to pick up more toys. We've got a goal of 20,000 toys to collect, and you know why? Because there's parents out there right now worrying about the fact that they're trying to put food on the table, much less have toys for Christmas for their kids. So this year, one of the things that you can do is come down and you can bring a toy for a tot, or you can make a cash donation, write a check. Any of those things are going to help some of the kids. We want 3 toys per kid. And the most important thing about this is that tonight you're going to be able to make a difference in someone's life. Come on down, visit us, and bring a toy for the tot at the Walmart in Denison.